Alright, I thought I'd actually make a quick video on it. Essentially, this came up in conversation, and I really didn't think too much about it, but in case you end up having a child that's actually really involved with Minecraft, this is something I ended up doing. This was several years ago, but because of that conversation, I actually pulled these back out. And what it is I essentially just took some 2x4s, as you can see, cut them in varying lengths. That way I could have a birthday party display. So as you can see, it was the Happy Creepin' Braden for Minecraft related. Then I went ahead and did Steve. Then I did the Creeper. Now this was something that was more involved. This I actually ended up cutting up a whole bunch of 2x2 material and turned them into 2x2x2 cubes to make this creeper. So as you can see, that's what these are. It's just a whole bunch of these right here, a whole bunch of 2x2 cubes. And then I painted each individual cube varying colors of green, just like in Minecraft. And then the face, I broke it down even further. So anyway, like I said, this came up in conversation, and I figured, you know what, actually I should make an updated video about this for anyone that's interested in some Minecraft. So this was something real simple to do. Now something else I did do in particular is that on like this creeper right here, I had to make it so that you could still see some depth to it. So even though I drew it out,